Morning students, in this video we will discuss the last part of the prose A Letter to God. I expect you might have seen the previous parts of it. If you don't have, you can visit my YouTube channel Learning Hub to watch them. First of all, let's read the text. Please have your textbook with you for better understanding. It was impossible for him to gather together the 100 pesos. So he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. He put the money in an envelope addressed to Lenko and with it a letter containing only a single word as signature, God. The following Sunday, Lenko came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him, while the postmaster, experiencing the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. Lenko showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. Such was his confidence, but he became angry when he counted the money. God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lenko what he had requested. Immediately, Lenko went up to the window to ask for paper and ink. On the public writing table, he started to write with much wrinkling of his brow, caused by the effort he had to make to express his ideas. When he finished, he went to the window to buy a stamp which he licked and then affixed to the envelope with a blow of his fist. The moment the letter fell into the mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. It said, God, of the money that I asked for, only 70 pesos reached me. Send me the rest since I need it very much. But don't send it to me through the mail because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. Lenko. Now you read the textbook yourself and find out the new words. Yes, the new words are containing, contentment, and crooks. First of all, let's understand the word containing. Containing means having or holding something within. अर्थात धारण करी. Now make two sentences using containing. Yes, sentence 1. On my friend's birthday, I gave him a gift box containing a pen. And sentence 2. The postman always goes with a bag containing letters. Now let's learn the word contentment. Contentment means satisfaction or pleased, अर्थात संतुष्ट. Now you make sentences using contentment. Yes, sentence 1. When I found my grandmother's spectacles for her, there was a contentment on her face. And sentence 2. Though the team lost the match, Akshay has the contentment of being the best player of the match. Now let's learn crook. Crook means dishonest person, अर्थात असाधु व्यक्ति. Now you make sentences using crook. Sentence 1. The shopkeeper cheats people in weight. He is a crook. And sentence 2. During the flood period, some businessmen sold potato and onion thrice of their price. They are really bunch of crooks. Now let's understand the text. It was impossible for the postmaster to collect 100 pesos. So he sent Lenko only a little more than half. He kept the money inside an envelope addressed to Lenko. He also placed there a letter containing a single word God as signature. Next Sunday, Lenko came earlier and asked whether there was a letter for him. The postman handed over the letter to him. The postmaster was looking this from his office. He had a contentment of doing a good deed. 100 पेसो संग्रह करने पोस्टमास्टर पर असंभव थिला. तेणु अधारू अल्प अधिक पेसो से लेंको पाखु पठाइले. से पेसो को लेंकोर ठिकना थिबा एक लफाफा मध्य रखिले एवं दस्तखत भाव गॉड बा भगवान लेखा थिबा गोटे शब्द विशिष्ट चिठीटीए ता भितर रखिदेले. तापर दिन सकाळु लेंको टिके शीघ्र आसी तार कौन चिठी आसी कि बोली पचारिला. डाकबालाटी चिठीटी ता हाथ को बढ़ाई देला ଏତିକି ବେଳେ ପୋଷ୍ଟମାଷ୍ଟର ଜଣକ ତାଙ୍କ ଅଫିସରୁ ଏସବୁ ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ। ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ କାମ କରିଥିବାରୁ ତାଙ୍କ ମୁହଁରେ ସନ୍ତୁଷ୍ଟି ଭାବ ଥିଲା। ଏବେ କହିଲ ପିଲାମାନେ, ହାଉ ମଚ୍ ମନି ଡିଡ୍ ଦି ପୋଷ୍ଟମାଷ୍ଟର ସେଣ୍ଡ? ୟେସ୍, ଦି ପୋଷ୍ଟମାଷ୍ଟର ସେଣ୍ଡ only a little more than half of 100 pesos. What was the single word that contained the letter? Yes, the single word that contained the letter was God. What was the word God used for in the letter? Yes, in the letter, the word God was used as the signature. Lenko did not show slightest surprise on seeing the money because he had such a great confidence. But he became angry after counting the money. He thought that God could neither have made mistake nor could he have denied Lenko's request. ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଖି ଲେଙ୍କୋ ସାମାନ୍ୟତମ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ପ୍ରକଟ କଲା ନାହିଁ, କାରଣ ତା'ର ସେତିକି ଆତ୍ମବିଶ୍ୱାସ ଥିଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ ଟଙ୍କା ଗଣିବା ପରେ ସେ ରାଗିଗଲା। ସେ ଭାବିଲା ଯେ ଭଗବାନ ଏପରି ଭୁଲ କରିନଥିବେ କି ସେ ତା'ର ଅନୁରୋଧକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟାଖ୍ୟାନ କରିନଥିବେ। ଏବେ କହିଲ ପିଲାମାନେ, ହ୍ୱାଇ ଡିଡ୍ ଲେଙ୍କୋ ନଟ୍ ଶୋ ସ୍ଲାଇଟେଷ୍ଟ ସରପ୍ରାଇଜ୍ ଅନ୍ ସିଇଂ ଦି ମନି? ୟେସ୍, ଲେଙ୍କୋ ଡିଡ୍ ନଟ୍ ଶୋ ସ୍ଲାଇଟେଷ୍ଟ ସରପ୍ରାଇଜ୍ ଅନ୍ ସିଇଂ ଦି ମନି ବିକଜ୍ ହି ହ୍ୟାଡ୍ ସଚ୍ ଏ ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ କନଫିଡେନ୍ସ। Why did Lenko get angry? Yes, Lenko got angry because there was less money than he had asked for. Lenko went up to the window immediately and asked for paper and ink. He started writing on the public writing table. His eyebrow was wrinkling due to his thought and effort to express his ideas. After finished writing, he again went to the window. He bought a stamp, licked it and affixed to the envelope with his fist blow. No sooner did the letter fall into the mailbox, the postmaster went and opened it. Inside the letter, there was a written addressing God that only 70 pesos had been reached to him out of the money he had asked for. He had requested to God to send the rest amount as he needed it very much. He had appealed to God not to send the rest amount to him through the mail or post office because he thought that the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. That means he thought that God had sent 100 pesos but the post office employees kept 30 pesos themselves and gave Lenko only 7 pesos. The letterhead contained Lenko as signature. ତତ୍କ୍ଷଣାତ୍ ଲେଙ୍କୋ ଝରକା ପାଖକୁ ଗଲା ଏବଂ କାଗଜ କଲମ ମାଗିଲା। ସେ ସର୍ବସାଧାରଣ ଟେବୁଲ ଉପରେ ଲେଖିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲା। ତା'ର ଭାବନାକୁ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତ କଲାବେଳେ ତା'ର ଭ୍ରୁଲତା କୁଞ୍ଚିତ ହୋଇଯାଉଥିଲା। ଲେଖା ଶେଷ ହେବା ପରେ ସେ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ଝରକା ପାଖକୁ ଗଲା ଏବଂ ଡାକ ଟିକେଟ୍ କିଣିଲା। ତାକୁ ଓଦା କରି ଗୋଟିଏ ବିଧାରେ ଲଫାଫା ଉପରେ ଲଗାଇଦେଲା। ସେ ଚିଠିଟି ଡାକ ବାକ୍ସରେ ପକାଉ ପକାଉ ପୋଷ୍ଟମାଷ୍ଟର ଗଲେ ଏବଂ ନିଜେ ଚିଠିଟି ଖୋଲିଲେ। ଚିଠିରେ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କୁ ସମ୍ବୋଧନ କରି ଲେଖାଯାଇଥିଲା ଯେ ସେ ମାଗିଥିବା ପେସୋରୁ ମାତ୍ର 70 ପେସୋ ତାକୁ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି। ବଳକା ପେସୋ ତା'ର ଜରୁରୀ ଥିବାରୁ ତା ପାଖକୁ ପଠାଇବାକୁ ସେ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିଥିଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କୁ ନିବେଦନ କରିଥିଲା ଯେ ବଳକା ଟଙ୍କା ତାକୁ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫିସ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ପଠାଇବେ ନାହିଁ, କାରଣ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫିସର କର୍ମଚାରୀ ବୃନ୍ଦ ଅସାଧୁ ଅଟନ୍ତି। ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ସେ ଭାବୁଥିଲା ଯେ ଭଗବାନ ତାକୁ 100 ପେସୋ ପଠାଇଥିଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫିସ କର୍ମଚାରୀମାନେ ନିଜେ 30 ପେସୋ ରଖି ତାକୁ 70 ପେସୋ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି। ଚିଠିଟିର ଶେଷରେ ଲେଙ୍କୋର ଦସ୍ତଖତ ଥିଲା। ଏବେ କହିଲ ପିଲାମାନେ, ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଡିଡ୍ ଲେଙ୍କୋ ଆଫିକ୍ସ ଅନ୍ ଦି ଏନଭେଲପ୍? ୟେସ୍, ଲେଙ୍କୋ ଆଫିକ୍ସଡ୍ ଏ ଷ୍ଟାମ୍ପ ଅନ୍ ଦି ଏନଭେଲପ୍। ହାଉ ମଚ୍ ମନି ହ୍ୟାଡ୍ ଲେଙ୍କୋ ଗଟ୍? ୟେସ୍, ଲେଙ୍କୋ ହ୍ୟାଡ୍ ଗଟ୍ only 7 pesos. Why did Lenko ask God not to send the money through the mail? Yes, Lenko asked God not to send the money through the mail because he had suspected the post office employees as a bunch of crooks. ପିଲାମାନେ, ଏଇଠି ଏ ଲେଟର୍ ଟୁ ଗଡ଼୍ ପାଠଟି ପୁରା ସରିଛି। ଏବେ ଏହା ସମ୍ପର୍କିତ କିଛି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନୋତ୍ତର ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସମୟରେ ଏହି ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ଉପଲବ୍ଧ ହେବ। ଆଶା କରେ ପାଠଟି ତୁମମାନଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝା ପଡ଼ୁଥିବ। ଶିକ୍ଷଣୀୟ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ପାଇଁ ଏହି ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ ସହ ଯୋଡ଼ି ହୋଇ ରହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ सब्सक्राइब करी बेल आइकन को छुई दियो फल जेबे भी नुआ भिडियोटी अपलोड हो तार मेसेज तुम्हें सांगे सांगे पाई परिबो। आज पाई एतिकी धन्यवाद।